Hey everyone, welcome back to the CUET 2025 Important Question Series. So, we have gone through 45 questions and I hope you know the answers to all of them. Now, let's begin from question number 46. Which poem the following lines are from? I speak three languages, write in two, dream in one. तो ये लाइंस इनमें से किस पोएम की है? So, Small Scale Reflections on a Great House is a poem by A.K. Ramanujam. The Elements of Composition is also written by A.K. Ramanujam. And Introduction is an autobiographical poem by Kamla Das. And The Professor is a satirical poem by Naseem Ezekiel. So the right answer of this question is option 3. आप comment करें कि what were the other names of Kamla Das. Next question number 47. Arrange the following works of R.K. Narayan in chronological order. R.K. Narayan के इन works को publication date के according chronologically arrange करना है. So Waiting for Mahatma came in the year 1955 and Sri Ram is the protagonist of the novel. Next is The Man-Eater of Malgudi, published in 1961, and Natraj is the main character of the novel. And Malgudi is the fictional town of R.K. Narayan, which is assumed to be in South India. Next, The Guide is the most important work of R.K. Narayan, came in 1958. And R.K. Narayan received the Sahitya Academy Award for this novel in 1960. Raju was the central character of the novel and his girlfriend was Rosie. Next, The Vendor of Sweets came in 1967 and Jagan is the main character of the novel. So here the correct answer is option B. Next, question number 48. Match the playwright to their play. So here Girish Karnad wrote Naga Mandala. Habib Tanveer is known for Charan Das Chor and he is also known for Agra Bazaar 1954. Mohan Rakesh wrote this play Asad Ka Ek Din. And lastly, Badal Sarkar wrote Ebong Indrajit. Here the correct answer is option 4. Next question. Arrange the following in the correct sequence in the ascending order of their birth. So Sarojini Naidu, political activist and poet. इन्हें हम Nightingale of India भी कहते हैं. Took birth in 1879 in Hyderabad. Toru Dutt wrote in English and French. She was Indian Bengali poet and translator. Took birth in 1856 at Kolkata. Next, Rabindranath Tagore. He was an Indian polymath and is a part of Bengal Renaissance. He took birth in 1861 at Kolkata. Next is Sri Aurobindo. He was the editor of the newspaper Vande Mataram and he took birth at Kolkata in 1872. His full name was Aurobind Ghosh. So the correct answer is option A. Next question. Premchand's novel Rangbhumi is a major critique of caste vis-a-vis. So in this novel we have a character called Surdas, a blind beggar. इस नॉवल में प्रेमचंद टॉक्स अबाउट गांधीयन वैल्यूज एंड सूरदास ऑल्सो प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अरेंज द फॉलोइंग वर्क्स इन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर. जेजूरी इज अ सीरीज ऑफ पोएम बाय अरुण कोलातकर, केम इन 1976. कांथापुरा is a work by Raja Rao and the publication date of this novel is 1938. Juthan is a book by Om Prakash Valmiki, published in 1997. And Untouchable is a work by Mulk Raj Anand, came in 1935. So here the right answer is option C. Next question. Rabindranath Tagore's poem The Child is based on. रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर की पोएम द चाइल्ड इनमें से किस पोएम पे आधारित है? So Rabindranath Tagore's poem The Child is based on T.S. Eliot's The Journey of Maggie. And Rabindranath Tagore was the first Asian to receive the Nobel Prize in 1913 and in 1948 T.S. Eliot won the Nobel Prize. Next question. Salim Sinai is the protagonist of which Indian English novel? इसका right answer है Midnight Children by Salman Rushdie. The genre of this novel is magic realism and it was published in 1981. And it won the Booker Prize in the year 1981 only. Now let's check out the options also. Train to Pakistan is 1956 historical novel by Khuswant Singh. The Shadow Lines is a Sahitya Academy winning novel by Amitabh Ghosh, came in 1988. And A Suitable Boy is a novel by Vikram Seth, published in 1993. Next question. Which one of the following plays of Mahesh Dattani is not from his collection Final Solution and Other Plays? इनमें से कौन सा प्ले महेश दत्तानी के फाइनल सॉल्यूशन और अदर प्लेस के कलेक्शन का पार्ट नहीं है? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 1. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच वॉज द फर्स्ट बुक रिटन बाय एन इंडियन इन इंग्लिश? कौन से बुक को किसी इंडियन ने पहली बार इंग्लिश में लिखा था? राइट आंसर इज राजमोहन्स वाइफ बाय बंकिम चंद्र चैटर्जी. ऑप्शन 1 इज ट्रेवल्स ऑफ डीन मोहम्मद. Actually, this was the first book written in English in epistolary form. But the writer of this book, Dean Muhammad, he was born in Patna, but he immigrated to Ireland and converted to Christianity. So we do not consider it as the first book in English by Indian. Next, the autobiography of an unknown Indian author is written by Neeraj C. Chaudhary, came in 1897. And Savitri, a legend and a symbol, is a political work of Sri Aurobindo. Next question, the title of the novel The Serpent and the Rope 1960 by Raja Rao is taken from Das. इसका right answer है option B. Next, Amrita Pritam is best remembered for her poignant poem Aj Aankhain Waris Shanu. Today I invoke Waris Shah. The genre of the poem is, so this poem is a elegy. Next, Nirved detachment is the sthai bhav, durable psychological state of which ras? Right answer is option C. Next question, Ahmed Ali is the author of, so Twilight in Delhi is the first novel of Ahmed Ali. In Custody is a 1984 novel of Anita Desai. A Bend in the Gangas is 1964 novel of Manohar Malgonkar. Next question, Train to Pakistan, a novel by Kuswant Singh, was published in the Dash. So right now I have told you this novel was published in 1956.